Hey guys, have you ever experienced the problem known as the hard to push toilet handle? You know, where you find yourself grunting as you try to flush, knowing full well something ain't right. Well, don't call the plumber, because you can fix this problem in less than 5 minutes for less than $5. And I'm going to show you exactly how, so stick around. Yeah, something ain't right there. Well, if I'm honest, I don't know the first thing about plumbing. But if I can fix a hard-to-push toilet handle, I know you can. So if your toilet handle is currently requiring a lot more strength to flush than normal, then stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it right now. Are you ready? Here we go. Step number 1, turn off the water. Step number 2, remove the lid. Step number 3, drain the tank. Step number 4, unthread the handle rod from the center tower. Step number 5, unscrew the top off the center tower. Step number 6, remove the center tower from the tank. Step number 7, remove the old flush valve seal. See it down there? It's that red plastic thing. You just have to reach in, pull this thing out like this. And there she is. That's the culprit. Step number 8, replace the old flush valve seal with a new flush valve seal. I got this from Do It Best for $3.99. It's a Mansfield 210/211 flush tower or rigid flapper flush valve. See right there. So if you pull this out, you'll see the new one is flat. The old one has got this indentation, kind of curved. So you want the flat one. I'm going to replace it by putting it right back over this tower here. And it's going to fit right on that ridge. You have to kind of work it right on there. Keep it on you, huh? And once it's on there, you'll feel it. You'll know it's right flush with it. See it there? Perfect. Okay. The seal is on. Now it's time for step number 9. Take your center tower, put it back on. Step number 10. Screw the centerpiece back on the top here. Step number 11, rethread the flush rod into the center tower. Putting that thing right there. Next step, put the lid back on. And the final step, turn the water back on. And once the tank is full of water, all that's left to do is flush. Shall we give it a try? Like butter. So there you have it. Fixing a hard-to-push toilet handle for less than $5 in less than 5 minutes. It doesn't get any easier than that. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out some of our other videos, and we will see you next time for another installment of Manly Home.